Describing people appearance. We will describe people appearance. Today, we will describe people appearance. And you will get some new words. Hair. Face. Skin. Complexion. Straight hair and thin-faced. Straight hair and thin-faced. Straight hair and thin-faced. Wavy hair and round-faced. Wavy hair and round-faced. Short brown hair. Short brown hair. Dark skin. Dark skin. This guy has beard. And mustache. He is slim and tall. This guy is short and obese. He is bald. He has dark complexion. She has black long hair. She has short dark brown hair. He is very slim or slender.